Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Toyl, Time of Your Life. So if you want to see what's inside in Toyl August 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, I forgot to put my lipstick on. I'm gonna just apply it, lovelies. And we're unboxing August 2021. If you are new to this subscription box, it is a monthly premium subscription box because it costs £35 a month, including the shipping fee, and you receive beauty products from skincare to makeup. And this subscription box, they target women over 40 years old, but in my opinion, I think this subscription box, it's for all, because I used all the products that I receive every month. So yes, and if you want to subscribe to Toyl, lovelies, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca. I will pop in here, and you will get your box, your first box, for only £30, including the shipping fee, which is not bad, isn't it? So yes, and lovelies, the products inside, all the brands are all high-end items, are all high-end brands. So yes, let's open this box. And when you open it, it looks like this, and it says Toyl Beauty for Life. Welcome to this month Toyl box. We hope you love it. And then like the white tissue paper, and then we have the booklet, the leaflet, and here it says, welcome to your August 2021 box, Toyl Beauty for Life, the ultimate fine line fix box. This box is the ultimate problem solver for fine lines around the eyes, lips, and neck. Fine lines are the beauty concern I receive most emails about, and this box is my ultimate selection of products to help. Enjoy. Karen Davis, Toyl, the founder. So yeah, she's the founder of Toyl. And then inside we have all the products with the description and the prices. And this month, lovelies, the beauty box is worth £155.70, which is not bad. And the other thing with this subscription box, you always receive some treat every month, some surprise item, and I saw already the surprise item, and I'm so excited to show it to you, lovelies. So yes, let's start. Let's see the products. I'll give you a sneak peek, lovelies. So the first product we have here, and this is a full size, lovelies. This is a full size from Hema Heart, and this is the Lift and Sculpt Firming Neck Treatment. Deeply hydrates and smooths the skin, improves skin density and firmness, help to increase elasticity of the skin. Unique roller applicator. Here we go. I hope you can see it, lovely. And let's open it. And it says here, a rich, hydrating, collagen boosting neck serum to help lift, sculpt, firm, and tighten the skin on the neck and décolleté. It is combined with a unique roller applicator for a target lifting effect that helps to cool, tighten, and firm the neck and décolleté. Contains patented liftonin expert that helps to boost collagen, and neodermal needle-free collagen and elastin filler that helps to improve skin density and firmness. A rich omega-3 6-9 complex of Inca Inchi oil and raspberry seed oil helps to provide protection and retains moisture, as well as moisture-locking hyaluronic acid, which leaves the skin looking conditioned, hydrated, firmer, and plumper. So it looks like this inside, and it has 40 ml. And let's see inside. As you can see, lovelies, it has the roller, and you just need to apply on your neck. But I would definitely, lovelies, use this one on your face a bit too, to lift up your face, I think, because it's the same, I think it's the same cream on your face with your neck, because I use my face cream on my neck too. So yes, so it says firming neck treatment. So yeah, you just need to apply this one on your neck to lift it. Can't wait to try it. Let's see. I know, lovelies, you may think that it's too early to use products for fine lines, but what I see, lovely, is it's better to use them early, because on my 30s, before 30, I see some of the fine lines already under my eyes, and I didn't treat them early, and I regret it. In my opinion, it's better to use products for fine lines, for wrinkle, early. And this one has 40 ml, and it's retail for 65 pounds. So just this product itself, it costs more than the box. Wow, wow, wow. And it says firm and tighten your neck with the award-winning lift and sculpting firming neck treatment, a target collagen boost that leaves skin hydrated and plump. This is a award-winning product. Yeah, try a few products from Hema Heart, and they are really, really good. They are quite expensive, as you can see. And then the next one we have is from Gatinu Hydra Aura Sleeping Mask Hydrating Glow. I hope you can see it, lovely. Here we go. Sleeping mask at the moment, lovelies. I use them every other night, because I found that when I use them at night, the next day I feel my skin very hydrated and very soft. So yes. And this one, it says a replenishing gel cream mask to transform dull, uneven and dehydrated skin to smooth, plump and glowing while you sleep. Wow. And this one, it's a full size. It has 75 ml, and it's retail for 48 pounds. Just wow, 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 wow. And we received a few products from it's another high-end brand. Their products is quite expensive, but they are really, really good. And then the next, and this is from Dr. Pau. Dr. Pau Pau Overnight Lip Mask, multi-purpose lip mask with natural pawpaw, softening and smoothing lip mask for day or night. Fragrance free. It has 25 ml. So I'm pretty sure this is a full size. And this one is retail for £8.95, and it says the gel-like texture melts into the lips, fully absorbing for an intense lip mask. Treatment with the addition of natural peptides to both plump lips and smooth any fine lines. And this product they have all just launched. So this is a new product, and I tried few products from Dr. Pau Pau. I really love the original one, because when I have really dry lips, I use it a lot. So yes, glad that I got in here. And then the next one we have is from Skin Iceland. I tried this one before. This is the Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gel. It says with hexapeptide technology. It has one pair here. As I said, I tried this one before, and it's really good. After I use this one, I feel my under eyes soft, hydrated. Also, I noticed that after I use this one, it helps to depuff under my eyes too. So this one, it's retail for £3.75. It has only one pair of eye mask inside, and it says cooling under eye gel patches to help firm tone and depuff delicate under eye skin within 10 minutes. It has a cooling effect too under your eye area. So yes, can't wait to try it. Definitely I will use this one tonight. And then the last product we have in this box, because the other one is the freebie one, and this is from Instant Effect OX2 technology, the Deep Line Elixir 10 minutes. It has 5 ml. I did already the lineup of this subscription box, lovelies, before. It works like this, lovelies. Every 19th or 18th of the month, the spoiler of the products for next month, and you decide if you want to continue with your subscription box or you want to pause it. And yes, and as I said in that video, that I'm really excited for this one. I never heard it from this brand before, but I'm really curious to try. I really can open it. So it looks like this. I really hope you can see it. And inside looks like this. It's like a pen, and you open it. It has this kind of brush, plastic brush. You just need to twist this one, and the product will come out. It has like a gel inside, a transparent gel. I don't know if you can even see it. This one, it says Deep Line Elixir, an anti-pollution treatment that instantly plumps skin and dramatically reduce wrinkle and size. Can't wait to try. And this one has 5 ml, but it's retail for £30. Wow, just wow, 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 wow. And the last product here, which is the freebie one. I really love receiving freebie. in Toyl, they put always every month something inside, and this one is from Sanctuary Spa Supercharged Hyaluronic Face and Cream, powerful morning or night 24-hour moisturizer with hydrating hyaluronic acid, plumping matrix seal, nourishing shea butter. It has 10 ml. It's Rita 4, I think £4.95, around like that. And it says here, for an instant boost of replenishing moisture that's maintained for 24 hours, apply this face moisturizer in the morning or to intensely restore skin defense and moisture levels. Whilst you sleep, apply generously at night for youthful, firmer, more hydrated and flawless looking skin. So yes, that's all lovelies for this month of Toyl. As you can see, let's do a recap. So you will get our freebie from Sanctuary Spa, which is the Supercharged Hyaluronic Face and Neck Cream, and then inside we will receive a Gatineau Sleeping Mask Hydrating Glow. Hydrating, I love that word, so can't wait to try it. And this one from Dr. Pau Overnight Lip Mask, and this is the multi-purpose lip mask, and as I said, I love Dr. Pau, so looking forward to try this. I never tried an overnight lip mask, so yes, looking forward to try it. And the other one that I'm happy to receive, and this is from Skin Iceland Hydro Cool Forming Eye Gel. As I said, I tried this one before, and I'm so glad that I got one in here because I really do like it. And the other one that I'm really looking forward to try, and this is from Instant Effect Deep Line Elixir, and the other one that I'm so excited to try, and this is from Hema Heart Lift and Scoop Firming Neck Treatment. So yes, as you can see, lovely, I'm using at the moment Hema Heart facial oil, which is I love. So yes, I'm looking forward to try this one too. So that's all for this month Toyl, lovelies. Overall, as I said, Toyl, it's a really great box, high-end brands, and I really like the theme for this month too, because we need to take care of our skin, our finance, our wrinkles. I know we're getting everyone old, so yes, really love this box as always. And you lovelies, what do you think of this box? Did you already receive it? Are you thinking to subscribe to Toyl? If you do, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will receive this box for only £30, which is really a good bargain if you love Hema Heart. Wow, this is really a great box. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.